Today we're going to be demonstrating the strain relief system on the new Hubbell Watertight plugs and connectors. Today we're going to be using a jacketed cable in conjunction with a 20 amp plug. The first step is to refer to the instruction sheet and identify the cable diameter and how it relates to the cone seal, the bushing, and the gotcha ring. Both the cone seal and the bushings are supplied on a tree that has the size identified to make it easier for the user to choose what the right size is to use. So let's get started. The first step would be to choose the cone seal. And in our case, we're using a cone seal that is less than 5/8. So the cone seal is snapped in to the back side of the strain relief nut as such. Please note that when it goes in, the cone seal is in its reversed position. The next step is to slide the nut and cone seal assembly up the cable. Leave enough room for the cable to be stripped and wired. The next step is to choose the appropriate bushing and slide that up the cable. Finally, choose the right gotcha ring and attach that between the nut and the bushing so that the beveled side is up. Once that's all in place on the cable, the assembly is now married up with the body of the wiring device. So insert the bushing into the core in the back of the body and close the nut up all the way. Notice that when the nut is slid down the cable, the cone seal inverts and creates a tight seal against the cable jacket to prevent water from entering into the device. The nut is tightened all the way down until it bottoms on the yellow body of the device. Once that's completed, you've now finalized the strain relief assembly. Once the device is properly terminated, we've now created the most secure strain relief in the industry today. If you were to unscrew the nut and reveal the gotcha ring below it, you can actually see that the gotcha ring bites into the cable jacket just enough to provide maximum strain relief without damaging the conductors below.